In Chief Filmfare, we have our renowned faces of Hindi film cinema and Indian cinema, Rajkumar Rao, Tamanna Bhatia. Let's sustain the round of applause and welcome our dignitaries. We have Sri Rohit Gopal Kumar, CEO Worldwide Media. We have, hello sir, and we have Sri Rajendra Kumar sir, is present here. Good afternoon, everyone. Namaste. I am Shivram, your host for today. On behalf of the Times Group and Filmfare, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected partners and friends from the media fraternity. Thanks conference of the 70th Hyundai Filmfare. Thank you all for taking out your valuable time and being here with us today at the press conference. Mr. Rohit Gopal Kumar, Director of Worldwide Media and CEO of ZENL, BCCL TV and Digital Network. And Mr. Jitesh Pillai, Editor-in-Chief, Filmfare. We're honored to have you with us today. Guests for joining us today. Today, we gather here for exciting updates on Filmfare Awards as the iconic Black Lady marks its 70th year milestone. First, we will begin with the ceremonial lamp lighting. लौटाएगा किसी चिराग का कोई अपना मकान नहीं फानुस बनकर जिसकी हिफाजत हवा करे वो शमा क्या बुझेगी जिसे रोशन खुदा करे Can we celebrate this moment with a round of applause that symbolizes abundance mentality and abundance mindset? Because lamp is an answer to the sun. If you cannot be the sun, be the lamp in somebody's life, in somebody's corner, in your corner at least. सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे तुम मुझको कब तक रोको And let's celebrate this, the milestone 70th Filmfare, which is going to be organized for the second consecutive time in Gujarat. Thank you, esteemed guests. Will be celebrated in Gujarat for the second consecutive time. We would like to thank our destination partner, Gujarat Tourism, for their incredible support in making the celebration of Hindi cinema possible. Gujarat shines proudly on the world map for its cultural and historic treasures. The thundering round of applause speaks it all in favor of Gujarat. The state is home to 4 major UNESCO World Heritage Sites, namely Hyundai Motor India Limited is India's leading automobile manufacturer and a trusted mobility brand. Guided by Hyundai Motor Company's global vision of progress for humanity, HMIL combines sustainable manufacturing with cutting-edge technology. With more than 1,450 sales and 1,600 service points, it offers a diverse lineup. Views for the same.
Thanks for offering me the floor. Dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Pillai, Mr. Rohit Gopakumar, Mr. Garg from Hyundai Motors, Mr. Rao and Ms. Tamanna Bhatia, friends from media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to you all. At the outset, I welcome you all to this beautiful afternoon. And on behalf of our Chief Minister, Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel, our Tourism and Culture Minister, our government and people of Gujarat, I take this privilege to invite you all, the film fraternity, the media, their fans, each and every one of you, to experience the glorious and gorgeous Gujarat, which is all set to host Filmfare Awards for a consecutive second time. The landmark 70th Filmfare Awards are scheduled to be hosted on 11th October at UNESCO Heritage City of Ahmedabad. At this occasion, we invite you to Gujarat to experience the incredible diversity, the glory of heritage, the vibrance of culture, the diversity of nature, landscapes, uniqueness of wildlife, serenity of the beaches, vastness of its white desert, greenery of its hills, mountains, and thrill of the adventure. And this all coupled by most advanced and robust infrastructure and the modern day marvels like Statue of Unity. And this all in one state. Its incredible diversity ranges from the vast white desert of Rann of Kutch to the lush green forests of South Gujarat. From the tranquil of Somnath to the vibrant chimes of Ambaji and Pavagadh hills. We invite you all, we invite the film fraternity to witness the grandeur of its history, the UNESCO heritage sites of Dholavira, which proudly displays the glorious past of Sindhu Saraswati Sabhyata, the first place on earth with a planned city development, with underground sewerage network, with water filtration system, with divergence of river, and at a time when the world was not even dark ages, around 5,000 years back. The Lothal, the first man-made dockyard, which dates back to 4,600 years old. The resilience of Vadnagar, one of the oldest city in the country, which is still living, which has excellent water management system, and the modern marvels like Statue of Unity. The Gujarat is only home to Asiatic wild lion, Asiatic wild ass in Little Rann of Kutch. It hosts largest nurseries and breeding grounds for flamingos, pelicans, and cyber cranes. It has 4 Ramsar sites, which are a paradise for bird watchers.
Of Filmfare. So between this is 70 years of the industry, which this man has been 30 years of it. You know, Jitesh has been covering. So I realize films are like, kind of an addiction. This man doesn't want to leave, so he's been handling this fort, and I think Filmfare has also become what Filmfare is because of such passionate, journalism and kind of fierce protection of the credibility of the brand. Thank you, Jitesh, for handling it. Kejo, Karan Johar. And then we have Manish Paul, who will add a lot of, comedy and humor, tadka, fun element, as we saw last year. It was very, very funny when he said, I remember Janvi was sitting next to me and there was Ori sitting next to Janvi. And he was wearing a court set which was kind of fully floral roses. So he comes and tells Janvi, "Kya achhi lag rahi hai yaar? Saath mein guldasta leke ghumti hai." So he was very funny. I'm talking about and Ori was very, very good. He took it in so much, on the chin. It was fine. So for me, this is important to tell you the 3 main people who are going to be hosting. The other people is going to be the superstar Khiladi, our Akshay Kumar, who's going to be the performance. It's going to be the A-lister performance for us. We're going to be having the charismatic Abhishek Bachchan, who's going to be performing. I don't want to tell what he's performing on, but he's going to be there. There would be, I think, Kriti Sanon. She's going to be there. We're going to be having Ananya Pandey, who's going to be performing. And we'll have a young star, I think, Siddharth Chaturvedi, who is going to be also presenting his act with us. So putting all this lineup together is one thing. I want to thank my team who have been working really very hard last 10-15 days trying to put all this together. But that's from our end. For me, I think I want to thank 2 people on this table because I think my MC already spoke about Gujarat. I don't want to speak more about Gujarat because I think it's all of us know it. And I'm happy because I'm going second time over there, so you can imagine my liking to Gujarat, and including Hyundai. But there are 2 people on this table who made it happen for me. And one is Mr. Rajendra Kumar. Thank you so, so much. I think we even had pow pows on this because we've been like literally on each other trying to find a way of trying to get the date and the time and trying to do this. And Mr. Tarun Garg, and he's been a friend, a kind of a guide also for me on a lot of things automobile. And I know him from his Maruti days and maybe before. A true gentleman, and I feel that somebody like him being with us, the journey is going to be great. And it's a third year with Hyundai, and I want to grow old with you, Mr. Garg. Yeah. 3 years is too short. So I want to thank all of you again, and I really want to invite all of you, if you're able to come to Gujarat, please do come and support everybody else like us. Invite? Yes, surely. Where is Vidyut? He's the man. So please come, watch the show, support us, and keep giving us your love, because I feel we want to do this and try to take it more and more places in terms of younger audience, younger generation should feel what is true cinema and not just what they are looking at on their Instagrams. So that's the reason I thought you all should be supporting us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm not used to making speeches. I'm a back street worker. Rohit may want me to sound like I'm 80 years old, but trust me, I was 19 when I joined Filmfare, and it's been my 20th year this year, so you can all clap for me as editor. So as the longest running editor, I can ask Rohit for an increment. But besides that, Filmfare is really my playground, my university. Sorry, I'm slightly indisposed, but I have to say this. All my heartbreaks, all my joys, all my triumphs have been closely linked to Filmfare. It's really like living a dream. So sometimes I'm very passionate about it, and I overthink it, and sometimes I have to tell myself, relax. It's not the end of the world, relax. But really, films are a dream. Films are like magic, and I'm so glad to be part of this magic. I remember I must have been 17, watching Shah Rukh and Kajol dance to Kali Kali Aankhein. We were sitting on those days we were not privileged, so we were sitting on the parapets of Juhu Centaur, watching the two big stars of the future. I think this is 1993. And then it was an absolute thrilling journey. 2007 is when I did the first Filmfare as editor. It really was a celebration of excellence. And 2007 to 2025, when Shah Rukh is hosting the Filmfare Awards, it's been a long journey. My two esteemed guests, I must thank Gujarat Tourism and the government of Gujarat for their constant support. I must thank Mr. Tarun Garg from Hyundai for constantly believing in us. Wonderful boss, Rohit Gopakumar, who's constantly battled with me, but he's been extremely supportive, and I've yet to see a more supportive person in a long time. And finally, the two big stars on the stage, who I remember, Rajkumar. I don't know if I can call him a rookie then, but he had come with a lot of conspiracy theories to the Filmfare office. And I think Shahid had just been released, or was it City Lights? And he was not too sure how he would be welcome. And I think several awards later, he's there on this dais. And I can tell you one thing. His demeanor, stars change overnight. I've seen them becoming monsters in a span of exactly 3 months from their film release. But this boy has been consistently wonderful. And I don't say it because he's here, but he's been outstanding, and it gives me great pleasure to also say that he has 2 nominations this year. One in the popular category and one in the critics category for Stree and his performance in Shrikant. Another person, I have a lot of anecdotes about her, but I'll just say that Thanks to her, I got a movie ticket in a film which was running to packed houses for 50 weeks. I just had to say word, the Tamanna and the window ticket in Chennai, and I got 3 tickets. So thank you for that. She's always been our showstopper at all our South Awards, be it Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. And she's been another one who's completely consistent. I've seen her kind of superstardom. You have to go to the streets in South to really know the kind of star power and allure that she brings with her name. But she stays unaffected and unattached. So thank you so much for, and like I said, Filmfare is a celebration of excellence. I will happily, in some time after my great stars make an announcement, I'll happily reveal the technical and writing award winners, which I may share with Raj and Tamanna. I may ask them to reveal a few of the winners. But thank you for your wonderful support. And like I said, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. Filmfare rocks. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Sorry, I was not prepared that I'm supposed to go there and speak. Thank you, Jitesh, for such kind words. I think we've known each other too long, and you know that the reason for me being an actor was never anything else apart from just being a true artist to my art form. Thank you. Thank you, sir, Rajendra sir. Thank you, Rohit sir. Thank you, Tarun sir. We, of course, go back a long way during your Maruti days. Thank you, Tamanna, for being here. I'm just very happy to be here because Filmfare Awards are something that I've grown up watching. And when I had the dream of becoming a film actor one day in class, must be 8th, 9th, the other dream I had was that one day I wish I could also be on that Filmfare stage, and I wish one day I could also hold this black lady. And luckily I have some, I think 6 of them now. So I'm very happy that, Filmfare, I think as we were talking outside, are the only few awards, or maybe the awards left in the country who have a lot of respect and a lot of value. Every actor, a newcomer, a senior one, they all wish, I'm sure they all wish somewhere that, we wish that we get this Filmfare this year as well. So that's the respect, that's the tradition, that's the value that Filmfare carries. And I'm very happy to be here today and to announce the 70th Hyundai Filmfare Awards with Gujarat Tourism, and I'm going to be there for sure. And I'm very excited to see Shah Rukh sir performing after a while. So can't wait to be in Gujarat on 11th of October.
Thank you, sir. Tamanna Bhatia to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. Where do I start? When I became an actor and started doing South Indian films, I met Jitesh, and this very amazing relationship started of just knowing this one person who's seen the industry in a way that maybe not many people have seen. And I was a new actor, so I didn't know much. But when I met Jitesh, he really met me with a lot of warmth, a lot of love. And back in the day, there was no social media. So the relationship between an actor and a media personnel was actually extremely intimate. He became maybe one of the first few people for me in the industry where I could talk about my experiences as an actor completely without a filter and expect that at the end, when it comes out in the magazine on Filmfare, it will still be interpreted exactly like how I said it and how I meant it. And today's time and age, when we have access to social media and to create our own narrative, it often does get misinterpreted, which is strange because it's ironic that when I started working and I had wonderful people like Jitesh interpreting my words, they were always intact. So I truly believe that it's always going to be people that make industries, there are going to be people that make organizations. And whenever I think of Filmfare, I will always think of Jitesh because he is just an amazing person who, like फिल्मों में क्या होता है, एक्टरों के भी वक्त बदलते हैं ना, कुछ आप एक दो तीन साल ऊपर, 2-3 साल नीचे, आपका पारा चढ़ता रहता है, उतरता रहता है, जैसे वक्त बदलता है चीज़ें बदलती हैं. But one thing that I haven't seen change is how Jitesh treats people, whether they are starting off in the industry or they are established stars. And the kind of, like I have been on stage, and maybe it's a fun anecdote that I have never told Jitesh, but maybe it's a revelation and he will know too. I was performing for one particular South film fair, and Shah Rukh ji was supposed to be in the audience, and I was going to dance to Chammak Chalo. And I had, I had cold feet, like a person can have, because I'm like, I have to do Chammak Chalo in front of Shah Rukh. I think I'm having cold feet. So I have in the van said, हम लोग यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ परफॉर्म, मुझे टेंशन हो रही है, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. And I'd been an actor, a proper mainstream actor, done all the kind of movies, done so much work, but I had totally, like, I think there was a caravan outside the venue where we performed, so I was rehearsing inside my caravan and people could only see the caravan like jumping from outside. And then I finally did perform, and it was one of my most fun performances, watching Shah Rukh in the front and me performing. So that's one of my most memorable film fairs where I performed. Another film fair was I gave a tribute to Prabhu Devaji. And it was a incredible, electrifying night. And I feel like for actors, we perform for the big screen. That's a very different kind of performance. But I, as an actor, always looked forward to performing on stage because I am also like a theater artist. So I have that love for stage, and that will always be. So whenever I would perform for Filmfare, I would be like, एक लंबा एक्ट करना है, एक अच्छा बड़ा एक्ट करना है, and then we would find ways of how we could creatively lace it. So I think Filmfare as an award ceremony, it celebrates movies, actors, technicians, the whole ecosystem that creates movies. And that night, I swear to God, it's one of those nights that every movie industry person looks forward to. And unfortunately, this year I won't be making it, but I did make it for this beautiful afternoon with all of you. I am just happy that, thank you, Jitesh, thank you for thinking of me for this wonderful afternoon. And what I'm really, really more happy about, Raj, is that I get to share the stage with you. I truly do believe Rajkumar Rao is one of the finest actors we have in the country. He is somebody who brings so much innocence to the kind of characters he plays, and I have had the good fortune of being with him for a few frames in Stree. The kind of comedy, the kind of innocence you bring, I mean, I'll be honest with you, as an audience, I've only seen Shah Rukh sir back in the day have that sort of charisma, innocence, as a leading man having innocence. I think for me that is so desirable. And thank you for always showing us how it's done and playing these amazing characters, which I really look up to. And this afternoon is particularly special for me. And thank you to the media, because you guys are always so supportive and you guys have always been there. And this wonderful stage full of dignitaries we have. Thank you, Tarun sir. I just don't want to mess up names because thank you, Rajendra sir, and thank you. And Rohit sir. But thank you, Rohit sir, mostly for showing us that amazing Filmfare copy from I don't know how many years ago. 1952. And I think this for me, these moments are incredibly special, because I think maybe if we again meet 10 years later on Filmfare, inshallah we meet 10 years later and we'll still be looking at these amazing moments. So thank you for making this super special, and thank you for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What's 2025 with Gujarat Tourism?
So I've split the awards. Tamanna will read out about 5 or 4. Raj will read about 4, and I'll read the rest. So you want to go first, Raj? Okay.
So, best sound design, Subhash Saho. Kill.
Guys, films can't be made without these people. So yeah, we need to. Yeah.
Imagine आपको गूंगी टीवी देखनी पड़ती, बहुत funny लगता. Best sound design, guys. That was, as I said, Subhash Sahu for Kill. Best editing, Shiv Kumar V. Panekar for Kill. Best action, Seong Oh and Parvez Sheikh, Kill. Best VFX, Redefine for Munjia.
And the technical awards category, best background score goes to Ram Sampath for Lapata Ladies. Best cinematography, Mr. Rafe Mahmood for Kill. Best production design, my friend Mayur Sharma for Kill. Best costume, Darshan Jalan for Lapata Ladies.
Forum for the media to.
I haven't
We have
finished.
some more,
I haven't
yes.
finished. The award for the best choreography goes to Bosca Caesar for Toba Toba Bad News. The best story, original story award goes to Aditya Dhar and Monal Thakur for Article 370. The best screenplay award goes to Sneha Desai for Lapata Ladies. The best dialogue award goes yet again to Sneha Desai for Lapata Ladies. And the final and one of the most important awards, the adapted screenplay, goes to Ritesh Shah for I Want to Talk. Congratulations, all the technical and writing award winners. Wonderful.
Thank you.
का कितना योगदान बढ़ा है एंड कितनी ग्लैमरस हुई है, कितना ग्लैमरस हुआ है फिल्म फेयर.
मैं महिलाओं के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ जानता नहीं, बट आई हैव टू टेल यू अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एनेक्डोट. Kamini ji, who's a first Filmfare cover girl, she also showed me this cover at her place, and I was not aware. I was just like a rookie reporter then, and she said, "You know, we started the award with just four awards." So the first, I have to tell you also an interesting anecdote, and hopefully we'll be able to recreate that. The first award winners were Mr. Bimal Roy for Best Director, Mr. Dilip Kumar for Best Actor, and Meena Kumari ji for Best Actress. So those were the first award winners in 1954. और औरतों का योगदान, I mean, look at the women. Madhubala, Nutan, Nargis. Look at the women. Smita Patil, Shabana Azmi. Can the history of Indian cinema be written without Sharmila ji, Rekha ji, right up to Deepika, Priyanka, Alia? Can the movies that, I mean, when you talk about Hindi cinema, one of the biggest movies you talk about is Mother India. When you talk about movies, can you ignore a Kajol? Can you ignore a Taboo? Can you ignore a Nandita Das? Can you ignore a Konkana Sen Sharma? Or even the South Indian actresses. I mean, I'm not sure if you're aware of them, but there were great actresses like Sri Vidya in Malayalam, who have, and like Tamanna herself, they've spanned all the four industries, you know, whether it's Shobhana, whether it's Revati, whether it's Rohini. They've all done all kinds of cinema. So औरतों का योगदान, they are like this really the spine and soul of the movies. And glamour की बात, as time and social media evolves, the heroines become more and more glamorous. And Filmfare, we've tried to retain the soul more than just the glamour. And if you see that, it's reflected in the magazine as well.
और एक और योगदान ये है जितेश कि फिल्म फेयर की जो ट्रॉफी है वो ब्लैक लेडी है, ब्लैक जेंटलमैन नहीं है.
एंड तमन्ना जी, एनी मेमोरी व्हेन फिल्म फेयर टीवी पर देखा करती थी, नाउ आज आप फिल्म फेयर की पीसी में हैं, ऐसी कोई मेमोरी है?
I think I remember seeing Karishma Kapoor win awards, and tabhi I think it was very different. It was a very even the events felt like मुझे हर artist में, like I remember एक सलवार कमीज में जाके उन्होंने अपना award collect किया. There was such a, I don't know, there was a kind of rawness to those particular award ceremonies. Am I right, Jitesh? I remember seeing, so मुझे वो एक बहुत vivid memory है. मैंने जब उन्हें देखा था, I felt कि मैं भी उनके जैसा बनना चाहती हूँ. So yeah, and when I meet Lolo now, she's just warmest, sweetest. So yeah, it's like life is like a circle.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Raj. Tamanna. As films have also evolved over the years, with technology coming into advancement, what is that one thing when it comes to award ceremonies you want that to be evolved, and one thing that should be retained to both of them?
I think as Tamanna said, I also remember when we were growing up watching film fairs on our television screen, the whole fun of not knowing who is going to be the winner, and to get to know it then and there was such a high for us. But now, of course, because of social media, you get to know it way more in advance. I miss that. I miss that thrill of watching it on television and not knowing who's going to be the winner. And how people used to come. Everybody would come together and just root for each other. So I think that there was a lot of love and friendship, which I used to see on screen. Even on TV, I could feel that there was a lot of love and mutual admiration for each other at that time. So I wish that comes back. And what was the next one? The second? To evolve. To retain. I think the trophy should be as it is. They should never ever change the shape of the trophy. Because it's iconic, there's so much history attached to it, and it's heavy, but it's beautiful. So yeah, I think that should never ever change. And Jitesh should be the Filmfare editor all his life. Yeah. And of course, but there should be some, as you said, some incrimination. Yeah.
Yeah, this was Jitesh. This is technically supposed to be the most important aspect of filmmaking, technical team. I was wondering how come the awards were announced randomly rather than actual award in Ahmedabad?
It's not random by any stretch of the imagination. This is yet another talking point. There is a jury which will be announced at the end of on the 11th. The technical jury will be announced, and these winners will be honored in Ahmedabad. So there is the Black Lady. It will be a full-fledged function where all these winners will be honored. This is just like a talking point where we decided that we're going to honor and announce the technical award winners. That's all. There is no attempt to make it random or anything.
Hi Raj. This Kai Poche गुजरात में शूट किया था. कोई खास याद है गुजरात की? और दूसरा श्रीकांत को लेके कहा जा रहा है आपको नेशनल अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए, क्या कहना चाहिए?
थैंक यू सो मच. गुजरात की बहुत सारी यादें हैं. काय पोचे ऑफकोर्स पहली बार था जब मैं गुजरात गया था, और हमने वहाँ लगभग ऑलमोस्ट 60 डेज़ वी वर देयर, 60-70 डेज़ हम लोगों ने महसाना में, अहमदाबाद में बहुत शूट किया था. और मुझे बताया गया था कि ये मोदी जी का गांव भी है, आई थिंक वडनगर, तो उसकी भी बहुत एक्साइटमेंट थी. बट वी हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम, ऑल थ्री ऑफ अस, मी, सुशांत, of course we miss him a lot, and Amit, we actually lived like brothers. It was very hot. We were shooting in May, June in Ahmedabad. You can imagine the temperature. But I think this is the passion of these three young boys to make it and to live our respective characters with utmost sincerity. That's what kept us going. So I think बहुत सुनहरी यादें हैं शूटिंग की गुजरात में. और श्रीकांत के लिए हाँ, मैं भी ऐसा सुनता रहता हूँ कि लोगों को लगता है कि इसको मिलना चाहिए, सारे बड़े अवार्ड्स मिलने चाहिए. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, और मेरा आई थिंक यही सबसे बड़ी बात है कि मुझे बहुत सारे मेरे सीनियर्स जिन्होंने ये फिल्म देखी है, जिन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस देखी है, उन्होंने जब कॉल किया, जो मैं सुपर सीनियर्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, जो आज हमारे लेजेंड्स हैं, और वो जब बोलते हैं कि ये बहुत कम परफॉर्मेंस है दुनिया में ऐसी जो एक विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड एक्टर ने निभाई है, उनमें से एक है. सो आई थिंक दैट इटसेल्फ इज एन अवार्ड फॉर मी. ऑफ कोर्स पीपल नो, आई नो दैट आई वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर ऑल माई कैरेक्टर्स, बिकॉज यही आता है मुझे. ना कभी प्लान बी था लाइफ में, यही था, और इसी की मोहब्बत में बहुत सालों से हूँ. और ये मोहब्बत हर फिल्म के साथ बढ़ती जा रही है, बिकॉज इतना वास्ट प्लेग्राउंड है एक्टिंग का कि हर फिल्म में आपको लगता है कि अरे अब ये वाला कैसे होगा. आई थिंक दैट फियर इज व्हाट कीप्स यू गोइंग, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई गेट टू वर्क इन फिल्म्स लाइक श्रीकांत एंड स्त्री. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
राज को तकरीबन कितनी ब्लैक लेडी को कलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं आप लोग अपनी लाइफ में?
जब तक काम कर रहे हैं हर साल मिलती रहे. और अभी तो फिल्म फेयर OTT भी शुरू हो गया है, तो अगर OTT पे उस साल काम किया तो वो भी मिलती रहे, बिकॉज बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वैसे घर पे जाके देखो ना, सब अवार्ड्स अच्छे हैं. नेशनल अवार्ड और फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड जैसी जो स्पेशल एक फीलिंग आती है ना देख के, वो कहीं और नहीं आती है.
Thank you so much. That was truly interesting. Now request the esteemed guests present on the stage and present in the audience to please come forward on the stage for a photo op. राजकुमार सर ने बहुत मोहब्बत के बारे में एक अच्छी बात बताई. मैंने पहले एक शेर पढ़ा था कि तराने बीत जाते हैं, फसाने बीत जाते हैं, सताने के मनाने के बहाने बीत जाते हैं, उखड़ने में कदम वक्त लगता नहीं है कुछ भी, मगर जमाने में जमाने बीत जाते हैं. Thank you all for gracing us with your presence today. It was an honor to have all of you. Hyundai Filmfare Awards 2025 with Gujarat Tourism. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Gujarat Tourism and to our title partner Hyundai Motor India Limited for their invaluable support in making this milestone possible. We look forward to seeing you all in Gujarat on October 11th for the grand celebration of Hindi cinema at the 70th Filmfare Tourism. Tickets available on District. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते. Thank you once again for being with us. Thank you so much. Yeah.